As a video editor, being creative with design and flow is a piece of cake, right? Here in this video, we're gonna go through on how to edit an ad that's creative, but also is effective to sell products of a brand. So before you get started on the video, keep in mind of your goal as a video editor of ads. You have to make the video sell. To make it easier to remember, keep a note of DS ad. It has to be engaging, short and simple, attention keeper, direct and crystal clear. First, engaging. This is where the 5-second hook comes in, meaning you have to make sure that the first 5 seconds of your video will hook the audience into watching your ad. Here's an example. As you can see here, the 5-second hook grabs the attention of your audience, because if you can't maintain the attention span going in just a few seconds, a customer can just roll through your ad and it's gone. Second is to keep it short and simple. Avoid turning your ad into a documentary. This means minimal animations and a maximum of 30 to 40 second running time, including a call to action. Here's an example of a short and simple ad. And here's an example of what we're trying to avoid. Let's stop right here because it's already getting boring. As you have noticed, this video has excessive animations and its running time is way too long that it's already lost my attention. While the other one is simple, straight to the point, short, and has minimal animations. Third is to make the ad an attention grabber. After the 5-second hook, the ad doesn't stop there. Keeping their attention until the end is a key for an effective ad as well. Tips here would be a good choice of music. This depends on the brand, but something catchy and upbeat is a way to keep the audience's attention span. And next is to maintain simplicity of text, proper timing of cuts, animation, and design. Here's an example. And here's an example of what we're trying to avoid. So I'm stopping right here because if I was a viewer of that ad, I would have scrolled through it already. Why? First is the slow timing of music and the slow timing of cuts. And second, the copy wasn't too clear. It didn't show any transformation from low sales to improved sales. Last note is that the timing and pacing of music does not fit well with the brand. Since we're endorsing a marketing agency, it doesn't make much sense if the music is going to be slow and depressing. While the example that we're trying to follow, it's more upbeat right off the bat, simple animation, and it makes you want to keep reading on information because everything is bright, colorful, but it's still simple, upbeat, and it makes you want to finish the ad. And lastly, The ad should be direct and crystal clear. The message of the ad should be clear and concise. This includes appropriate sizing of font size, readable length of copies, inclusion of subtitles if necessary, and good choice of creative. For the appropriate font size, always keep in mind that the text has to be clear to view from a mobile view. For readable length of copies, make sure that the copy's length is enough to be read in just a few seconds. Next is inclusion of subtitles if necessary. Don't just tell, show. An example would be, instead of a simple talking head, add subtitles so the viewer can understand the ad clearly. And lastly is the good choice of video creative, meaning the stock footage or whatever videos that you're using has to be aligned to the product or brand that we're showcasing. In this case, if we're advertising LES systems, we would focus on business or marketing related video creative.